Hello, everyone. This is Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere, and today I am here to pay a tribute to none other than the late Sidney Poitier. Sidney Poitier was a Bahamian American actor, film director, and ambassador. In 1964, he was the first African American and the first Bahamian to win the Academy Award for Best Actor. He also received two competitive Golden Globe Awards, a competitive British American, British, why do I say British American? British Academy of Film and Television Arts, BAFTA, and a Grammy Award for Best Spoken Word Album. Poitier's family lived in the Bahamas, but he was born unexpectedly in Miami while they were just visiting, which automatically granted him U.S. citizenship. He grew up in the Bahamas, but moved to Miami at age 15 and to New York City when he was 16. He joined the American Negro Theater, landing his breakthrough film role as a high school student in the film Blackboard Jungle in 1955. In 1958, Poitier starred with Tony Curtis as chained together escaped convicts in The Defiant Ones, which received 9 Academy Award nominations. Both actors received nominations for Best Actor, with Poitier being the first for a black actor. They both also had Best Actor nominations for BAFTAs, with Poitier winning. In 1964, he won the Academy Award and the Golden Globe for Best Actor for Lilies of the Field, playing a handyman helping a group of German-speaking nuns build a chapel. Poitier also received acclaim for Porgy and Bess in 1959, A Raisin in the Sun in 1961, and A Patch of Blue in 1965. He continued to break ground in 3 successful 1967 films which dealt with issues of race and racial relations: To Serve with Love, Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, and In the Heat of the Night. And in a poll for the next year, he was voted the U.S.'s top box office star. Beginning in 1970, Poitier also directed various comedy films, including Stir Crazy in 1980, starring Richard Pryor and Gene Wilder, among other films. After nearly a decade away from acting, he returned to television and film, starring in Shoot to Kill in 1988 and Sneakers in 1992. Poitier was granted a knighthood by Queen Elizabeth in 1974. In 1995, he received the Kennedy Center honor. From 1997 to 2007, he was the Bahamian ambassador to Japan. In 2009, he was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian honor in the United States. In 2016, he was awarded the BAFTA Fellowship for Outstanding Lifetime Achievement in Film. Just a few of the accolades that Poitier has won. I just wanted to pay a tribute to him with this cartoon and reading a little bit of his history. This has been Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.